Hi there! In this video I want to show you how you can change your desktop background in the Windows 10. For do that, you can right click here and after that go to personalize, and then here you can use default image in the Windows. For example, when you click on this, it's changed this background or this background. You can change them, or if you have a specific picture, you can click on the browse and then find your wallpapers. For example, I want use this wallpapers. Click on your picture and click on the choose picture, and then you can see it add this background here and change it. First here, if you want use here, if you want change this from pictures to solid color, you can click on the solid color and just click on the color that you want. You can just set a solid color for the background. If you change it to slideshow, you must select your a specific folder. For example, this folder is contain many pictures. Okay, first in the here change it to a slideshow, and then in the browse find your folders that contain pictures. For example, here it's wallpapers, and then click on the choose these folders. Really good. And here in the change picture, every you can select for example, if you click on the 1 minute, it changed each pictures in 1 minute and automatic change this desktop background. And here you can turn on this shuffle for change your desktop background randomly. Very good. Another way you can when you click on the picture and for example select a picture, you can see some pictures will be like this because the size of your pictures is not a match your desktop backgrounds. Depends on your monitors that you are using. Okay, for correct them here in the choose to fit, here we have some options. For example, if you click on the fill, it's zooming and filling whole of your background. And another if you click on the fit, it will be like this, or a scratch, it changing and scratch your pictures to fill the background, or tile, it's change it to many pictures, repeat it to fill your background. Or here if you click on the center, it's just add that pictures to the center. And here in span it's like filling and just a little changing. You can click on the center, and here in the choose your background color, change the color of others to white. For do that, you can click on the custom and drag this color to here, and then press done, and now here you can see others change to white. Another way you can change your desktop background, for example, I want add this picture, for example this picture, you can just right click on it and click on this set as desktop background. Now you can see it's added here. Or you can just select your picture and go to picture tools and click on set as background like this. I hope you like this tutorial. Don't forget, if you like this tutorial, like this video and subscribe us for see many tutorials in this channel. Have a good time and goodbye.